So I'm planning on going for like just a short little trek outside. I just have been cooped up all day. But it's like 90 degrees out, so I just kind of want to get outside and soak up some sun, you know, while I still can. I live in the North Midwest, so it's pretty much winter here about 9 months out of the year, which I love, don't get me wrong, but I'm grateful for the heat and the sun right now, so I do want to get outside and appreciate it, and I'm just hoping that I don't get a call. So I think I finally know what people are talking about, because I got chapped lips in the middle of summer, which never happens, and I think it's because they were sunburnt. I've never had sunburnt lips until, or at least I never realized that's what that was until recently. And it was horrible because I hate having chapped lips, and I have them too often in the summer, or not in the summer, I have them too often in the winter, so don't need to be getting them in the summer too. I always do the back of my hands too. Those are like the main areas I do. I don't usually wear sunblock on my whole body. I probably should. If I'm gonna be out like all day in the like bright sun, I usually will, but at this point it's 3 o'clock, you know? The sun's not at its highest point anymore, so should be fine. As long as I get my shoulders, face, neck, hands, chest a little bit. All right. Okay, I'm just using this one from lazouche.com. My friend got this for me. It says it's lavender, but it really reminds me of Earl Grey tea. It smells very similar. I guess a lot of Earl Greys have lavender though, so yeah, it smells like tea. I love it. And it has SPF, so yeah, should be good. All right, last but not least, mosquito repellent, you already know. Maybe I should be doing this outside, but whatever. It's okay. Luckily it's all natural, so. There we go. All right. I got sunblock, chapstick, bug spray. Just gonna let it dry. While I let it dry, I'm gonna pack my bag. So I just got a couple things in there. I'm gonna bring a pen, lighter, little notebook. That'll be enough for the front. Binoculars. The book I'm reading, homemade bookmark, goes in this pocket here. All right, and looks like my infusion's already changing color, which is awesome. Instead of making like a tea like I normally would, I'm doing an infusion, I guess, a cold infusion, and it's just sliced up ginger and dried hibiscus. There we go. So make sure this is tight. I'll pack this in as well, next to the binocs. I always bring like a little piece of fabric, basically like a handkerchief. I always bring something like this if I can remember to. You just never know when you're gonna have a runny nose. I feel like I have a chronic runny nose, so. All right, we're good to go. All packed. Oh, you can see how white I am. All right. And away we go. I forgot to mention that I usually also bring this hat, and you can't be too careful out here. Hi, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, be nice. Hi. How are you, baby? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. That's a mushroom. This is a gigantic mushroom. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so I think I just found some wild grapes growing out here. Yep. Okay, look how many there are. There are a ton of grapes here. Oh my God. I'm gonna try some. I'm determined. I might get a tick for it, but it's worth it. Okay, if I go quick, let's see if I can just, oh, I don't want to get a tick, but I really want to try some grapes. Okay. You know what? Fuck it. Actually, I don't know if it's worth it. Oh, it's not worth it. Ugh, fuck, I can't do it. I'm too scared. I don't want to get Lyme disease. There's so many. Although, okay, they don't look necessarily ready either. They do look like they could go for another week or two, maybe even a couple, maybe a few weeks. I think they're technically ready in fall, so maybe a month. I'll come back here in a month and with pants on, because right now I'm wearing shorts. So yeah, I won't be able to get them yet. I'll wait until I have pants on. When I go on walks by myself, I oftentimes find a space where I can sit down that's quiet and private so that I could either birdwatch, listen to the wind in the leaves, or just jot down notes about things that I thought about on my walk or observations I made. I found a nice bench I could sit on and get a little reading done while I was out. And while I did get some reading done here, I ended up continuing to read when I got home because the gnats were so irritating. I maybe only read outside for 10 minutes tops. Interesting. But I usually don't see hoof prints. This is so cute. They're so cute. Aww. Maybe we're on the horse trail on accident. The gremlin of the woods.
Answer my riddles.
Sorry?
Answer my riddles.
What is your riddle, sir?
What gets wetter as it dries?
Okay.
No, it's a towel.
Oh. Oh, a towel. There's more gooseberries.
Oh yeah, right here.
I don't see any goats. The sky is so pretty right now, love. It's amazing.